Hi, I'm Ray Chowdhury and this is my engineering portfolio, a quick highlight reel of some of the projects I built. My 10-year-long journey in programming has led to a lot of projects, from building a programming language and compiler from scratch, to an AI wound classification device for soldiers. But today, I'm highlighting 3 projects that especially resonate with me. In my project Instructify, I built a system that scores presentations in real time and simulates an audience's reaction. It analyzes short, real-time segments for facial expression, word choice, and pacing, then turns that into an engagement score. I visualize a score on an ESP32 LED matrix that gets greener as your presentation gets better. Instructify won Best AI and Second in Education at the Rutgers Spring Collegiate Hackathon. I also worked on Cassava, a sublet search startup mentored and funded by MIT Sandbox, where I orchestrated our standardization and filtering layer. We scrape thousands of sublets daily, then use NLP to structure the data into consumable posts while filtering out scam listings. To build this, I surveyed MIT dorm spam for real scam patterns found in Cambridge postings, aggregated the responses, and used Lava to bootstrap a labeled dataset of sketchy versus legitimate posts. I fine-tuned the model on this dataset to maximize detection accuracy, and I added a weekly active learning job that consumes our user reports to strengthen our filter over time. Recently, I built Synapse, a learning companion that tracks the TikToks you watch to build a shared vocabulary to better answer your questions. The app captures clips, and my backend uses an LLM to extract entities like people, topics, and themes. I store them in a Neo4j knowledge map because a plain vector database makes analogies feel random. In the map, I model relationships within and between TikToks, then use the clusters that form to represent a user's interests and conceptual patterns. From those clusters, I generate embeddings and power a GraphRag Q&A system that retrieves the most relevant subgraph before generating an answer. Synapse won first place in education at the Rutgers Fall Collegiate Hackathon. My goal is to someday advance AI efficiency at scale. In college and beyond, I'm very excited to keep building toward that.